It is now.
You
Yep.
can kind of keep back right where you were.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, Allstate? I did the pre-video, sorry. Homeowner started talking. Guess what? Sun come out. What would you know? I had shade and now. Alright, so anyways, do this, unseal those. And get nails out. Sorry, y'all. I'm about to have a heat stroke day. These are killing me. Like my third one for today. Get up under there. There we go. Nice and easy. I done unseal that one. No. And this one. How are we unseal that one? So this one, okay. I don't know why I'm trying to unseal this one up here. Alright. So it is pretty, as you see, I do want you to see this if you'll kind of get low. You see how when you lift that up, see how it doesn't bend right there? It just kind of bounces. It's pretty stiff. It's got old age. It's pretty stiff, right? It's not really pliable. If it's pliable, it's 94 degrees that day inside Georgia. Trust me, I'm feeling it. Look at my arms, right? This would bend. Not really pliable, but I do gotta lift it up and find the nails, y'all. So you gotta let me find the nails. Okay. All right, you can go back to the top. I want to keep it overview so they see it all. Nice ring, congratulations. You see one there? Damn it, man, show that one. Oh, it's hot. Or probably like, how's this guy get the nails out without seeing them? Put that shit on here. That's how. Professional. Sorry guys, I want to sweat. If I fall off here straight in there.
Yeah, don't back up.
Oh man, this is hot. This heat. This one, yeah. All right, not lifting the shingle high at all. Locate the nail, dropping it. It doesn't bend very well though. We'll say that. That shingle's pretty done for. I mean, honestly, if you can look at the, look at, there's no grains in it. How do you repair shingles that has no grains? It always beat me, whatever. I can go ahead and tell you, probably 95% sure this shingle's discontinued. I had one 2 streets over, kind of built about the same time as this one. Age-wise of the roof, yeah, shingle, it was discontinued. A lot of these in the same area. So you just seen that was already starting to crease. I see it crease there. Oh, ain't even done. Okay. All right. There's actual money. Crash out in a minute. Don't have a label, so probably nothing. Atlas, I don't know. There's no telling. It's old. We gotta send it off. I guess we could. I don't want to, but we could. I get tired of spending my $200. How long's the video right now?
5 minutes.
5?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. I'm about to throw up.
Yeah, that's the cute.
Thank you. I see 1, 2, maybe. I don't know about these two here. I see about 2 creases though. That look like that one's pretty clean. This one over here is pretty clean.